Hi everybody, thank you very much for coming here together with me, and I hope you are having an awesome day everybody, and I hope you are enjoying whatever things you are doing today. And because you came back here, perhaps you are interested in perfume. So like today guys, I will be speaking about Ariana Grande perfume. It's New Year right now, it's just guys after Christmas right now, and I bought for myself this cracker guys, and there will be there will be 3 perfumes guys in it. So there will be Ariana Grande Sweet Like Candy, there will be Rem as well, and there will be Ari. I actually didn't have a chance guys to get Cloud this year. I never tried it yet. Maybe next time, I don't know. I want to tell you as well that normally I speak in my videos about Arabic perfumes, Middle Eastern perfumes. So the day I unboxed this perfume is Ardal Zafran Jazab, is the name, is for women. And I must tell you guys that this perfume, it smells kind of classy, not overpowering. It's citrusy, light perfume, musky and sweet, musky, citrusy, woody perfume, light. It's still staying on my hand. The biggest thing about this perfume is that it's light, not overpowering, even though it's Middle Eastern perfume, and plus the bottle is just the luxury one. So that was my experience about Jazab perfume guys. You will see more updates about this perfume later on, but guys, let's take a break from Middle Eastern perfume, and let's see Ariana Grande perfume. I already tried this crystally looking perfume before guys, and I don't think it surprised me guys too much. And I already tried this like Thank You Next perfume. I remember that one didn't surprise me as much, but it was nice, it was pleasant. So let's see guys, let's open it. How to open? Okay, so it's a bit difficult. Now we're gonna take it out guys. So we have 3 little perfumes, Ariana Grande perfumes guys. Sometimes when you try perfumes, sometimes it's enough guys to have just little ones. So let's see first guys, perfume, how to open it. Maybe I just need to... Okay, so first perfume guys, maybe I will just take out all of them for you. Okay, and then we have this one. Okay guys, so these are my first Ariana Grande perfumes that I have guys, and they are small bottles. To be honest, I was hoping to get Ariana Grande Cloud perfume, but this year, I ended up getting these small samples because they were cheap, and I wanted to get them, and I wanted to see what they are like. And that's guys, so that's Ariana Grande, what's this one? What's this name? What's this one? Candy, Sweet Like Candy. Okay, so that's Sweet Like Candy. And then what's that one? Rem. This one guys is a Rem perfume, is that crystally perfume. And this one guys is Ari. So let's start with Sweet Like Candy. Okay, let's start guys with Sweet Like Candy. Maybe I'll just try it on my hands. Sweet Like Candy, this type of cute bottle. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's basically, there's no sprayer, it's just like that. So I thought that there will be a sprayer. That's disappointing. That's when you basically want to save up money guys, and when you want to spend less. So that's what you get guys. So now let me see if I can just... Okay, I got some there, it's coming out. Okay guys, so that's what happens guys when you want to save money. It's basically sweet. Sweet, it's exactly just like candy, we will not go into details. They're too much. It's actually very useful. It's pleasant, guys. It's pleasant, very suitable for young teenagers. Like, I would buy it for teenagers. Like, and if you want sweet perfumes, it's actually very pleasant, to be honest. Sweet and fresh. And when I say sweet, it's just like that candy. It doesn't surprise me, it's too simple for me. Like, Middle Eastern perfumes are more complicated, but these are kind of simple perfumes that wouldn't perhaps overpower too much. So guys, like, simple, pleasant, but like for right now, guys, I had enough. I wouldn't buy this perfume, just exactly as I thought that it's not worth buying a big bottle, But I would definitely buy it for a present for young people, for teenagers, for teenage girls, or for young girls, I would definitely buy it if somebody likes sweet and simple perfume. I like these type of small, cute bottles, so that's Sweet Like Candy. It's interesting introduction to this perfume. Okay, another perfume is, guys, Rem. Rem is the name, is the type of crystal bottle. That's the perfume, guys, I already tried before. I already tried it before. Okay, guys, Rem. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna try on this particular hand. Rem. What does it mean? Oops, it's going everywhere. Oops. Need to go to close it. Okay, done. This one is more interesting, guys. This one is more interesting to me. Now, it's a bit, there is no spray or anything, but this one has certain similarity to, to this Thank You Next perfume. This one is pleasant, it reminds me a little bit of this scent one by Zara, which is a little bit duped to St. Alter. There's some kind of like those spices that they put to marinate cucumbers, if you know what I'm talking about. I like this perfume, I like this perfume, guys. If I would choose, this one definitely go first. And I believe that will be, if I will compare the other one as well, guys. I like this perfume. It's kind of really nice, guys, this perfume. Sweet with some kind of spices, but type of delicate, Makes me quite happy. Rem. Very nice, guys. It's maybe more for sophisticated women, that perfume. Another perfume, guys, will be Sweet Like Candy. Sweet Like Candy. I like this perfume, Rem. Sweet Like Candy. No. That's not Sweet Like Candy. I already reviewed it. That's... so sorry. I mixed it up. So this one is Ari, and this one is Sweet Like Candy. So basically, this Ari is the one that was simple to me. This is Ari and this is Sweet Like Candy. So Ari and Sweet Like Candy. Like that Ari to me also smells like Sweet Like Candy. So that's very confusing, guys. This one is Sweet Like Candy. And it's very simple, to be honest. It's very simple. They are both very similar to me, guys. This one, they're both kind of like candies to me. I don't see much difference. No. Too simple, guys, too simple. Reminds me of this Azzaro Mademoiselle, Azzaro Mademoiselle. Very similar, guys. Azzaro Mademoiselle, they both remind me, to be honest, of Azzaro, that brand. This one, guys, is the most pleasant. It's Rem is the name, and that's what I would go for, guys, if you would be interested. So that would be, guys, very simple review of this perfume. If you want to try one of them, go with this one. Is Rem is the most type of little bit, has more complicated notes, which are still not too complicated. They are very simple, but smells a little bit more the best. They are all very sweet perfume, like not like very, but they are going on the sweeter side, and they are, I think all of them would be suitable for a younger person. If you're a little bit above 30 years old, then go with this one, but which is still smells quite youthful, you know. So that would be my review about this perfume, guys. I'll come back to you soon, and have a beautiful day, guys. Bye bye.